Hello everybody, it's me OlgaKay and we're playing Harry Potter. I am so confused, there's so many wizards walking around and like, what the heck am I doing with my life right now? I don't understand. Let's do something fun, shall we? Let's sit in it. Oops, that's not sitting. What? Where the fuck did you go? Oh my god. Fuck is a bad word. Who the fuck are you? Fuck is a bad word. Alright, let's figure out what's up. You will need Arthur Weasley to fix broken blue Legos. Where the hell is he? Oh, there he is. Weasley, fix that shit. Oh, look at him. He's fixing it. He's like, yeah. Is he fixing it? How come he's fixing it? How come he doesn't have a magic wand where it's like, boom, done? He's like, he has to do all the hard work. Is he fixing it or he's just like fucking around? Doesn't look like he's doing shit. Oh, I'm cussing a lot in this episode. What is going on? Come on, Weasley. Fucking fix it. Although, what? Excuse me. I'm sorry. I got distracted. Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. How do I know if it's halfway done? There's no meter. There's nothing. All I see is a heartbeat. Alright, dude. Boring. Alright, maybe nothing happens. What the F was that? Did she fix it? Is that how you fix it? Boom! Nope. That's not how it... What? Hold on. Now we're talking. Go, little bucket of water and brooms and all kinds of good stuff. You go. What the F is going on? What the fuck? This is awesome. Let's sit down. What? That's not sitting down. Hey guys, what's up? Ooh, let's make them fly. Fly. Look what I've made. Isn't that pretty? What? Hey, wait, I wasn't ready for that. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Now we've learned something. Hello, little wizards. My name is Harry Potter. And I don't know what's happening up in here. Let's try this again. Whee. That's it. Wow. Oh, give me the heart. Give me the heart. Yeah, give me. Oh, bitch. You took my heart, you little heartless bitch. It's okay. I'm not gonna be mean. Yeah. 2 coins. Give it to me. Give it. Where are they going? Okay. This 2-dimensional game is freaking me out. Chair. What the F? Wow. Give me stuff. What? There's a TV room in here. Excuse me, sir. Move. Wow. Heart. Give me a little heart. Give me a heart. Oh, yay. Let's go over here. Oh, I can't go over there. This is such a weird game. I want to get in. Let me in. I want to play. I'm going to destroy this thing. Don't make me kill all the books. Get me. Let me in. I want to watch TV with you guys. You little snatches. Oh, screw you. Hey guys. What is that? What the F? Alright. So confusing. So confusing of what's happening here. What? Weasley! Hey guys, come on! Let's read the map. What was that? Oh! Let's play with the real Lego. What? Pick it up. Pick up the little pieces. I'm sure they mean something. Put them all together. What? Did you see that magic? I made a chair. Let's see what Harry can do. Harry Potter. Make it fly. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Look at that little airplane flying, yay. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Sorry. Oopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Hold on, I'm not ready to go anywhere. What is going on? Everyone run. Hold on, let's get all the cool stuff. Where is the blue one? I want a blue one. Give me the blue token thingy. Give me the blue token thingy. Yay! All the Lego pieces. Ice cream? Give me ice cream. Hi, I have a question. I have a question, sir. Answer our question. Or we're gonna burn you. Let's go. Fly. Dun, 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 bum, 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 bum. Da, da, da. Look at our castle. Let's go this way. Come on, guys. We're here. Have you seen this before? Make it fly. What? What? Alright. Good work, Harry Potter. Ooh. What? Are it flying Legos? This wizard has lost his toad. Look around for it. What you lose? Green thing? Green machine? Come on. Come on. Give me some Lego pieces. Or some little icicles. What's in here? Let's go for look for the green piece of machinery. This game, seriously, I'm telling you, my English is getting better every day. Every day I live on this earth. What the F? Open it. Open the freaking door. Yay. Heart. Give me a heart. Hoot. Take my heart. Somebody blow up this door. Immediately. Yeah. Come on, dude. Obviously, this is not how we're opening doors today. Weasley. But this door. Nope. Oh, look at him. Look at him fixing it. Anytime there's something broken, Weasley is gonna fix it. Holy crap. Is there a key? Okay. Let me play my magic. Whoa, I found it. Found the green piece. Let's give it to him. Hey, dude, found it. There. You're welcome. Yay! Now what? What? Flying house. What? Wait, nothing freaking happened. Hey, I want it. Yeah. Connect it. What was that? What did we just make? Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. Alright, let's go back here. I didn't finish. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, hello, pieces. What are those pieces? They're nothing? They do nothing. Alright, let's see what this does. Make it fly. Everybody look. Look at it flying in the circles. Boom. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Wait a second. I am not satisfied. Not satisfied with this behavior. Weasley. Do we need more pieces? Come on. Kill it. Kill it. Wow, wow, wow. Don't fight, don't fight. What do I do with this? Oh, I get it. Pick it up and put it right here. Put it right here. Let it drop. Nope. Pick it up. Put it right in the middle somewhere. Right here. Drop it. Nope. Everybody move away. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Ooh, I have to put it in here. Yeah. Put it. Yeah. We did it. Alright, guys. We're gonna continue the rest of this episode later. Because it's getting too late. And Mooshka is needing my attention. So we'll finish it later. And I'll talk to you soon. I love you. Moosh, bye.